How to buy Bitcoin on OKX Wallet. Now, buying Bitcoins or BTC on OKX is very easy. The most challenging part of doing this method is via verifying your account. So if this is going to be the first time that you downloaded this application, this is going to be your dashboard. So you just have to choose on Get Verified and just choose on Verify Now. So you should have at least an ID or any self-verification, and as well as your personal information for you to fully verify your account. Now, even if you will not verify your account and heading directly into this trade button right here, and then just simply clicking or tapping on buy BTC, you'll always be redirected to get your account verified. But if you already verified your account, buying Bitcoin is very easy. So the buy button is going to be visible in here on the trade part at the center portion of your screen. Just choose on buy BTC, choose the specific amount, how much you would like to buy, and all the crypto wallets or crypto addresses will show up on your end. Just simply choose your preferred crypto or BTC, and then in there just simply have it confirmed so you will be able to buy a Bitcoin. That's it. That's how you buy Bitcoin on OKX Wallet.